Chapter 7 Adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describe or modify another person or thing in the sentence. Using adjectives makes sentences more interesting. For example, the pretty girls laughed. In this sentence, girls is the noun. It says who is laughing. Pretty is the adjective. It says more about the noun. Here are some more sentences with nouns and the adjectives. 1. The fat captain ate dinner. 2. Sameer is blonde and gorgeous. Remember that adjectives tell you about the noun. Don't get confused adjectives with adverbs. Adverbs describe the word. They tell you more about an action. Adjectives usually come before the noun. Types of adjectives. There are mainly 6 types of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of number, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective. Adjectives of quality. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question, what kind? For example, number 1, Sheila is a beautiful woman. 2, it was a memorable trip. 3, Manali is a nice place. Adjectives of quantity. These adjectives help to show the amount or the approximate amount of the nouns or pronouns. These adjectives do not provide exact numbers. Rather, they tell us the amount of the noun in relative or whole terms. For example, number 1, Mila did some exercise. 2, the whole mountain was covered with snow. 3, our school did not have enough supplies. Adjectives of number. These adjectives are used to show the number of nouns and their order of place in a sentence. For example, number 1, 21 students failed the exam. 2, they are 5 brothers. 3, Nikhil stood first in the class. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or in relation to nouns. They are where, what, which and whose. For example, number 1, where did he say he was going? 2, what assignment did I miss out on? Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives indicate the owner of the noun they modify. They are usually placed in front of the noun and must match the gender and number of the noun they describe, not the gender and number of the owner of the noun. For example, number 1, I can't answer my seat work because I don't have a calculator. 2, Trisha sold his dog. Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is a word that demonstrates the proximity or distance of the noun it modifies. This singular and these plural are used to indicate that the noun being modified is here. To indicate something is farther away, there the demonstrative adjectives are that singular and those plural. For example, number 1, I used to buy this kind of shirts. 2, when the old man tripped over that wire, he dropped the whole bag.